Welcome to Throwback Thursday with Film Cafe. Today we're boarding Love Boat, the TV series where love and adventure sail hand in hand. Imagine a luxurious cruise ship, the Pacific Princess, gliding through sparkling waters, filled with laughter, romance, and unexpected surprises. Every episode features guest stars, from Hollywood icons to fresh faces, who find themselves in heartwarming, funny, and sometimes downright crazy situations. With Captain Stubing in charge and a quirky crew keeping things lively, Love Boat promises non-stop fun and feel-good moments. Get ready for a nostalgic journey full of charm, where every cruise brings new love stories and unforgettable memories. Make sure to like this video and follow for more content.